guys, and thanks for joining me on another trip down history with Fun with Nails and History. Today's topic is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is named after Saint Valentine of Rome, a Catholic saint whose feast day falls on the 14th of February. Little is actually known about Saint Valentine, and it is possible that the stories told about him were really about two or more different saints, named Valentine as it was a popular name at the time. Although there are several versions of the legend of Saint Valentine, the main theme is that he refused to denounce his faith in Christianity. He was reported martyred on the 14th of February in the year of 269. It's not known when Valentine's Day was actually associated with romance. However, it has been asserted that this happened during the medieval period. It may have been due to the development of courtly love or the beliefs that birds choose their mate around the 14th of February. This is actually noted in Chaucer's Parlement of Fools or Fowls, written in 1382. It's widely considered the first Valentine's Day poem, and what he wrote in modern day English was, "For this was on St. Valentine's Day, when every bird commits there to choose his mate." So that's when the bird's going to choose their mate. Now, the exchanging of cards and gifts only began in the 19th century in Victorian England. It has now become popular across the globe, perhaps not so much as it is elsewhere as in the English-speaking world, where Valentine's has become a pretty big deal. So, the commercialization of Valentine's Day has turned it from a celebrated saint's feast day to a day where people feel the need that they have to make lavish displays of love on one day rather than being spontaneous and doing little things for each other. Now, this Valentine's Day look on my nails, or Anti-Valentine's Day as I would call it, I was inspired by my daughter's hatred for Valentine's Day. As she says, it's commercialized nonsense. She is still 12, she will be 13 in a few weeks, but she thinks it has been commercialized nonsense since she was about 10 years old, and that it's an excuse for companies to sell rubbish and make more money. Which is probably true because you get it forced down your neck. Because why can't we just do little things for each other that just make people happy? Is that too much to ask? If you love somebody, you'll show them every day by doing things like taking the rubbish out, cleaning the dishes, hoovering the floor, stuff like that. Buying them a bar of chocolate. It's the little things, not the big things, that make a relationship. And one day a year ain't gonna solve your problems, is it now? Anyway, on a brighter note, I'm going to get started on these nails, but I will say that I'm not going to do a little into bed and say, well, that's them done, because the fact is, I've got to write an essay. It's due on Monday at 12, and then I have another essay due on Friday, and I've not got time for that nonsense. So, if you want to see my version of what Valentine's is not onto my nails, have a nice time, stick around, stay tuned, watch this space. If you like the video, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and if you want to press the notification button so that you're notified every time I upload. I usually upload about once a week, probably on a Sunday. I'm not sure, it depends on what's happening or if my life is falling apart as we know it. Have a lovely day and keep watching.